Isn't it a pain to get the whole vacuum out when all you need is the attachments?
You're shackled to a big machine that's tethered to the wall. And there's got to be an easier way to do the stairs.
So I designed the Gtech Multi to put high-performance cordless cleaning
In the palm of your hand. You get 20 minutes powerful cleaning. Plenty for the stairs, sofa, caravan or car. The Multi comes with all these tools. And its power brush shifts all kinds of dirt.
even embedded pet hair.
So when you can do all this with a lightweight handheld,
you don't have to drag a big vacuum around. Order your Gtech Multi today.
For £149.99 with free delivery. Find out more at gtech.co.uk.